I love cats. It's a great connection to the Champlain Valley, the diversity of the area, birds and flora and fauna. I just love it. And the thing that's great about cats is they're short, manageable trails that you can walk on. It's family friendly. You can spend as long or as short a time as you want on them. And they connect different areas of the Champlain Valley. Cats is unique among the land trusts of the Champlain area because we incorporate both properties that we own, and also we have easements across private property such as this farm that we're on right now. Cats maintains trails and saves land, but we also connect the small hamlets up and down the Champlain Valley, and that is what we're trying to do over the long run, and that's very unique. It's totally unique to this area.